So kahit saan korte, bago mo ipalatag yung ebidensya, titignan mo muna may jurisdiction ba yung korte na yan o hindi. Nalito nung ibang legal luminaries ang publiko na ang uunahin ay yung ebidensya. Ang uunahin mo parate ay jurisdiction. Ano ba ang basihan ni Senator Bato nung sinabi niyang i-dismiss? Kasi daw unconstitutional kasi more than one impeachment filed in a year. So kahit saan korte, bago mo ipalatag yung ebidensya, titignan mo muna may jurisdiction ba yung korte na yan o hindi. So I can only assure the public na aabot tayo sa ebidensya if the whole impeachment court says na wala tong fatal constitutional defect that takes out jurisdiction from the court. Diba? So hindi pa pwedeng, ipakita mo muna lahat ng ebidensya mo kay VP Sara, saka natin tignan kung may jurisdiction o hindi.
So yun yung una yung i-resolve, sir? You can see that happening?
That's the logical. Okay. Again, that's what we should. Okay. Diba? Now, don't panic because una, may Supreme Court. Pangalawa, what's the worst case? The worst case, they can file another one after the 1 year. Sir? Diba? Yung sinasabi lang pwede ilabas sa lahat ng ebidensya, they can do that in the Committee on Justice.